First of all, I'm thankful to Apna Contractor for giving me an opportunity to express my views on the project that I have given to them. So it's been a quite long journey that I bought the house and I'm looking for the interior designer for end-to-end turnkey projects. So I have contacted almost 10 interior designers and taken a site visits also, but the quality of work and the finishing of the work that I have looked at the site of the Apna Contractor. So I choose the Apna Contractor to execute my interior project. So from the inception of the project and from the designing, whether it includes the designing or it's a selection or execution or handover, they are executed perfectly and with finishing and the quality of work what we have seen at the start of the project, they have given this in the same way and make our dream house into the real. And they are also representing giving a designing, and at the designing phase also they are making a lot of changes that we have made at the designing stage, and they have made it and according to the 2D and 3D design, what the actual house, what the designing in design, what the house looks like, they have executed in the same way and make it real house. So we are very thankful to the owner Ali Khan, designer Tejaswini and co-designer Disha for making our dream house into the real. We are very thankful to Apna Contractor and the designers and the workers. Very thank you.
Thank you.